Welcome to our lush and captivating world of plant decor showpieces. Our YouTube channel is your ultimate source for all things green and stylish, where the beauty of nature meets the art of interior design. Join us on an exciting journey as we explore the enchanting realm of plant-based decor, sharing ingenious ideas, the inspiration, and a touch of potential magic to transform your living spaces into green heavens of serenity and style. Are you passionate about plants and interior aesthetics? You have come to the right place. Our dedicated team of plant enthusiasts, decorators, and eco-conscious creators are here to empower you with the knowledge and creativity you need to infuse life and elegance into your home. From miniature succulent gardens to majestic indoor jungles, we cover it all, offering expert guidance on selecting, arranging, and caring for a wide variety of indoor plants. Expect to embark on a journey of artistic expression and innovation. We will guide you through the art of creating stunning plant decor showpieces that not only breathe life into your spaces but also reflect your unique personality and style. Whether you are a novice plant parent or a seasoned green thumb, our channel caters to all levels of expertise with step-by-step tutorials, pro tips, and time-tested techniques to elevate your plant decor games. So, hit the bell icon, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my video.